Alright, what we have here today, fresh off the bench, is the Cobra 29 LTD Chrome. I've done mods to it. It is new. Delta Tune is your turbo echo board. I've also done the modification for the talkback, so it's nice and loud and you can shut it on or off. Works very, very well. Radio is peaked and tuned. If you want to add linear, it's tuned for one, just plug and play. Audio check. 1, 2, hello. Of course, you can set it however you would like. Is a super modulation swing kit, turbo echo board. It's mounted on the chassis, modification to the talkback, and custom faceplate. It is what it is. Comes with everything: box, manual, mic, power cord. Nice loud radio makes somebody a really good mobile unit. Cobra 29 LTD Chrome. What you see is what you will receive.